Hey everyone, Choose to 5000 here. Today I'm going to show you my new Swiss Army knife here, the Victorinox. This is my old Swiss Army knife here in the background. Figured I'd just put it there just because. Alrighty, here we have the new one in the box here, and it is makers of the original Swiss Army knife right on the box here. Okay, let's see what we got. Alright, that's nice red with the Swiss Army insignia here in the handle. It's everything's stainless, pretty nice. Alright, well, let's start off with the toothpick here. Pick your teeth. It's just a piece of plastic, but probably better than trying to use a stick or something. Next, we have tweezers. Yeah, get a splinter, metal sliver. Might be able to possibly dig it out with these. Not the pointed ones, which pretty much everyone needs, but I'm sure you can find a use with all the other varieties here. Okay, we have a key ring. Now, like, you'd want to put this on your keychain anyway. It's a little bit bigger than the keys you're going to be carrying, a little bit heavier too. Alright, what do we got here? Back side, or the less tooled side. We have a reamer here. A reamer with a hole. Let's see if I can focus this. There we go. Got a nice sharp point on it. It's really sharp, cuts you pretty easy. I know, I found out already. Okay. Put that down. We have a universal hook here for any, I don't know, anything you can think of here. I'm not really sure. Pulling a string through a hole. I don't know. You give me your idea. I don't know. Something. Everyone knows a Phillips screwdriver. It's pretty much a T-handle. Not bad. I'd probably rather use a regular screwdriver, but if I don't have one, there you go. You got this at least. Okay, we got the bottle opener, flathead screwdriver, and the wire stripper. It locks in a 90-degree angle and in a 180-degree angle. Okay. Next we have can opener. This edge is sharp. Just make sure you don't get cut in there, because that's pretty sharp also. Okay. Next one. Pliers. Pretty handy. Not going to pull giant things, but they work good. They have a little crimper here, as you can see right here. Got some good teeth on them. Yeah, pretty nice. Next one, scissors. Pretty nice. Can cut whatever. I was cutting, let's see, I think it was 18 gauge electrical wire. Pretty thin stuff. And it's braided, so this goes right through it. It's probably not good for the blade, but the blade is still really sharp. So make sure you watch out for that too. It'll cut you easy. Okay, next one is the big knife blade. And on the big knife blade, if you can see, let me focus here, it says Victorinox, and it is Swiss made stainless. On the other side, as you can see, Officier Suisse. Okay. and this blade's really sharp also. Just watch out for all of that. Okay, last one is the little knife blade, also very sharp. Yeah, very sharp. Okay, let me do a close-up of the toothpick and tweezers here again. So you can see it's just a piece of plastic. And tweezers again here. Which I'm sure is made of stainless. Okay. Not very big, but tweezers are never really big. Okay. Alright, well, there is this one is, which one is this? This is the Deluxe Tinker. Yes, Deluxe Tinker. The regular Tinker, I think it has the pliers. And there's 8 varieties of this type, the Victorinox. This one I like the best. It had, I think, the most in it. It's one of the bigger ones, and for what I do, I think it'll work out really good. Okay, let me just open up everything here again, show you a overview. Just gotta watch out for all the sharp stuff trying to do it like this. There's plenty of that. There's that side. I don't know if I can do the other side. Let's see. This is pretty tough. Okay, I don't know about this reamer. I think that's going to be stuck in there pretty good. So, well, almost. Well, alrighty. There you go. If you don't have one, and you want one, and you have a use for it, go ahead and get one. Very handy. And I like mine. And the first day I had it, I used almost every tool on it. So it's just handy. I picked mine up at a local hardware store, and it was on sale for 30%. So I got this brand new one for around $26 with tax. So it's a pretty good deal, and well worth it. Alrighty, well, any questions, comments, any useful information on it, let me know, and we'll see you later.